Hello, I am Dr. Naveen Mehrotra, Chief Neurosurgeon at the Sunshine Hospital, Secunderabad branch. So today I am going to share my experiences on a common problem we see in the OPD called as trigeminal neuralgia. So what does trigeminal neuralgia means in a common language? It is a type of a facial pain which is usually observed or experienced by middle-aged to elderly people. It is on one side of the face. It starts from the eye up to the lips and goes below. It is a very severe pain which lasts for few seconds, and it's so severe that it causes like a shock like sensation. So normally it is seen, as I told you, in elderly population. So now, since it is usually felt in the face or in the dental area, the patient usually confuses it to be a dental pain and consults a dental surgeon for it. And usually when we see such patients, they usually get a dental or tooth extraction for it, but the pain persists after that also. So this is called as a trigeminal neuralgia, and it's a very common thing which we see in middle-aged to elderly patients. So now this is the complaints. So how do we diagnose that the patients have trigeminal neuralgia? So normally we do an MRI to see whether there is any other tumors or abnormality in the CP angle region where the nerve of the face or the trigeminal nerve goes. But more often we see that the nerve is compressed by a blood vessel, which is commonly an arterial loop, which is pressing upon the nerve and causing the patient to have this pain. So now what is the treatment for trigeminal neuralgia? So the treatment is essentially medical. 70% of the patients who have this problem respond to the medical treatment. So the treatment consists of giving carbamazepine or oxcarbamazepine, and we have got a new tablet called S-carbamazepine, which helps to relieve the trigeminal or neuralgic pain. In the remaining 20 to 30% of the patients which do not respond to medical treatment, then surgery is an option which should be considered, and this surgery is called as microvascular decompression. So normally what we do in this surgery is we just open behind the skull and reach to identify the nerve and see that there is a blood vessel which causes the compression of the nerve. We just lift that blood vessel and put a Teflon patch below it so that the nerve is not being pressed by the artery. This surgery usually has a very good outcome, ranging to the range of almost 80 to 83%, and the patient is usually pain free and doesn't require any medical treatment for it. Apart from that, in the MRI, if we find is there any cause for this neuralgic pain, then we go ahead and remove this cause for it. There are other methods also available for the treatment of trigeminal neuralgia. Few of them which are non-surgical, they include the giving of injection into the nerve. What happens is the pain goes away with the injection, but you have an abnormal sensation on the face which is as disturbing as the pain itself. Secondly, you can have gamma knife over that area which burns the area of the pain so that you do not have this pain. So these are the non-surgical methods, but if you are a surgical candidate, surgery gives a very good and long lasting outcome as compared to other non-surgical methods. So if you have been suffering from facial pain which has not responded even with medical treatment or dental extraction, please consult a neurosurgeon to find out whether it is trigeminal neuralgia or not. It is one of the commonest causes of having a severe facial pain, and the best part of it is it is purely treatable and you can be pain free. Thank you.
ఈ కాన్స్టిపేషన్స్ కానీ ఇంటెస్టైనల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, ఇంటెస్టైనల్ అబ్స్ట్రక్షన్స్, తర్వాత ఇలా అనేక రకాలైన ఇంటెస్టైనల్ డిసీజెస్తో బాధపడే వాళ్ళకి ఈ ఫైబర్తో కూడిన మిల్లెట్స్ చాలా వరకు ఉపయోగపడతాయి.